And before we get started today, I just want to let you know that anytime that you put any type of essential oils into your watercolor paints, it is going to permanently smell that way. So, in some ways, that might be a blessing because what I like is that anytime I use this palette, even a year later, I'll still have the scent of lavender. But if it's a watercolor kit that you don't want to ruin, in the sense of kind of having a permanent smell, then I would recommend using one that you don't really care as much about. So, to get started, we are going to begin by adding an essential oil to your watercolor palette. If you got your art kit from Carmanos, then no need to adding the essential oil to your kit because you already have one added. But if you are new and joining us today and you have a brand new watercolor kit, this is where you're going to want to add some essential oils. So all you're going to do is take one scent and place it on either all of the palettes, or you're going to want to put it on a few of them. It doesn't take long to do. You're just going to want to dab a little droplet onto each one and then let it dry. Once your essential oils are in your watercolors, then you're going to want to just allow yourself to play. So this is when I recommend taking a wet paintbrush and getting your watercolor paper wet and just experimenting with different colors. And what I really enjoy about painting with watercolors and essential oil is that it helps engage all of your senses. So that way is a more mindful experience, which adds to relaxation. Lastly, I just challenge you to play. Often, when we are creating art, it is very easy to put pressure on yourself to make something specific. But in this instance, I want you to just play with the colors, enjoy the scent, have the colors blend within each other, use different paintbrushes to see how they interact and different brush strokes with different amounts of water, and just play with different materials. This is an opportunity to relax and unwind. And this is something that you could do and just spend 10 to 15 minutes a day, just sitting down with your watercolors, enjoying the scent, and spending time just being creative. We often in our busy lives don't give ourselves the opportunity. So I hope that with today's exercise, it maybe is a start of a daily activity like that, and that you can engage more in the creative process. So I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you next time.